This video shows how to buy shares of Seagate Technology PLC, ticker STX-US, listed on NASDAQ. Seagate makes data storage devices and enterprise storage solutions. This is educational content and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account. I use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy shares. Open the platform search and type the ticker STX-US to find Seagate Technology PLC. Check the search results carefully to locate the correct NASDAQ-listed stock. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure this is the correct Seagate share. Select Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or set as a limit. And if your account lacks funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After confirmation, your Seagate position will appear in your portfolio. For the example linked to eToro, check the description below.